Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw BNB from Coinbase to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your BNB assets seamlessly between these two popular platforms, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, stay cautious to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Binance. Double-check that your Binance account is verified and ready to receive funds. It's a quick step to prevent delays. Now, log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the Assets or Portfolio section and find your BNB holdings. Click on BNB to access your wallet options. Next, select the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter a wallet address. This is crucial. Copy your Binance BNB deposit address directly from the Binance app or website. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid sending funds to the wrong place, which could mean losing your assets forever. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Coinbase, and don't forget to specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs to ensure it's worth it. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authenticate the transaction with your Coinbase security measures, like two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, never skip it. Now, sit tight. Depending on network congestion, your BNB should appear in your Binance wallet within a few minutes to an hour. After the transfer, log into Binance and check your BNB balance to confirm everything's arrived safely. If you encounter any issues, both platforms have support resources, but always keep an eye on transaction statuses using blockchain explorers. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw BNB from Coinbase to Binance in 2025. It's a simple process that empowers you to manage your crypto more flexibly. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.